Okay, so we draw the triangle. It doesn't matter who you call A, who you call B, and who you call C. It doesn't matter what corners you choose. What matters is that you put the numbers in the right place according to your labeling. Okay, so for my labeling, this is 88. A to C is 22. B to C is 11.5. And A to B is what they want, which is side C. And so this would be side B, and this would be side A.
SAS.
SAS. Okay, so it's very important that you actively think of the type of problem it is so that you get in the habit of doing that, even though we're just doing law of cosines today. Because by the time you get to your test or your review, they're going to be all mixed up. So you have to know how to identify what to use. And this is a side angle side. Okay. And so what we want is A to B, so side C. So that means you use the C formula, the bottom one out of the three. Okay. So I'm going to write it for you, or you can just look a little bit above on your notes. It's C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. There's a formula, but remember you have to do the square root to get rid of that square. And then just chunk all the numbers in there. Be very meticulous, like very careful about that you're putting the right number in the right place. Because if you do put one number in the wrong place, obviously you're going to get the wrong answer. Okay? So, for example, A is 11.5, B is 22, and this one's 88. Okay, so just make sure the numbers are in the right place. Make sure it's all the square root. Make sure you're in degree mode. Make sure it's a minus sign, not a negative sign. Round that to the nearest tenth. What are you guys getting? 24.5. We'll give you a few more seconds for those of you still plugging in, just to make sure that's what you're getting. If somebody gets a different number, please raise your hand so I can go look at your screen.